What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Ethereum.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this asset. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we reached at that moment the range of support at the price point of roughly $1,427. And as you can see, my main assumption was that probably we should retest this sloping line, this resistance. And from this range we might break this level of support and went lower. And I've told you that we should hold, for this case we should hold this range of support, and if this asset breaks it to the downside, definitely we might hit even 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level at the price point of roughly $1,134. And as you can see, my assumption was incorrect. I was wrong at this very point, and we broke it to the downside, and basically this second assumption was correct. And right now we are hovering, let me show you that we are hovering basically at the same level for several days. And we have a bunch of candles that shows the uncertainty on the market. And what should we expect next from the technical standpoint, I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the total sentiment of the crypto market. We are sitting at $938.37 billion. It is about a 0.8% decrease over the last day. And major cryptocurrencies pretty much moving sideways. As you can see, Bitcoin during last 7 days gained about 1.79%, but during last 24 hours it lost about 1.23%. Ethereum 0.74 on a 7 days period, increase on 0.72 on 7 days period, and decrease by 0.7% during last 24 hours. And BNB also has quite similar numbers, increase by 0.37% on a weekly basis, and decrease during last 24 hours by 1.36%. So let's continue with Ethereum numbers in details. For now, it has a total market cap of $163.057 billion. It is a 0.71% decrease, and the total tradable volume is $12.275 billion, and it is lower than it was previously by about 9.9%. So we don't have major spikes in volume during this consolidation phase. That's why we cannot assume which way this asset might go, and that's why we have to be very cautious with the next leg. So let's continue with this news. Right now we are on crypto.news, and this article was published just several hours ago, and it's titled "The Reality of ETH Staking. Ethereum Proof of Stake is a Regressive Capital Tax." And let me quote you this. Ethereum recently merged its original chain with the new proof-of-stake chain. The POS blockchain has fashioned after the original chain began recording massive costs and scalability problems. Developers intended to bring a better chain that lower cost and increases speed. But the results of this merge definitely wasn't so positive. As you can see, the merger was made on September 15th right here, and since then we have a decrease in its value. Let me show it to you. From this point to its lowest range for about 30%. Definitely huge movement to the downside, and that's why I think we have to be very cautious with crypto in general. And for now, Ethereum is also not so bullish in my opinion. So, and let's continue with this news. Right here, let me quote you why it is a regressive capital tax system. So basically, if you have more Ethereums on your balance, definitely you can use and you can benefit a lot from the staking of Ethereum. But if your account is not so valuable, you can receive only a fraction from this money. And we have several tiers. First tier requirements include 32 Ethereums or 16 Ethereums when using Rocket Pool. You get the utmost rewards ranging from 4 to 17%. Tier 2 has minimum requirements of 16 or 32 Ethereum. You outsource a node, staking as a service tool. There are costs for outsourcing nodes that lower the rewards. Tier 3 No minimum stake, you add tokens to a staking pool. Rewards are calculated after deducting pool fees. And tier 4, the lowest tier, involves locking tokens to exchanges. The fees are super high and the process is way less profitable. And that's why, as I mentioned in my previous video, we have the discrepancy between large capital holders get richer at the expense of small capital holders. And definitely it cannot be the best choice for people to stake their money into Ethereum. And that's why we have a decrease in the value, and that's why we have a decrease in price. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me add the Bitcoin price action on this price chart, and let me show you that from this previous bottom, from the June 18th, we have quite similar price action, but Bitcoin is a bit weaker than Ethereum, and Ethereum is pretty much mimicking the price action of Bitcoin with less volatility. And let me switch to Bitcoin price action itself. As you can see right here, Bitcoin is approaching its crucial point of $18,000. And if this line holds, definitely we might see a double bottom pattern, and from this range we might have the next leg to the upside. Otherwise, if this asset breaks the $18,000 mark, all other crypto coins will go lower, and that's why we have to be very cautious. And for Ethereum, crucial point is at the range of about $892, this previous swing low. And let me show you right here. If it is the case, and if we have this ABC correction that has the lowest point of the C right here, from this range we have to go higher. But if we will break this range, it will eliminate this ABC correction, and in this case we will have 5-wave structure like this, and we have to have one more leg to the downside. And that's why we have the range of about $812 is the crucial point for this asset. And the next range of support might be at $1,139, because it is a 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. Let me clean the chart a little bit. And I pulled the Fibonacci retracement tool from its lowest point on March 2020 till its highest range at about $5,000, and this is the next range of support. But as you can see, previously we already broke it to the downside. That's why we have to be cautious and take a closer look on Bitcoin, because the Bitcoin has its support range much closer to its current price, and that's why if it breaks it to the downside, we will see this decrease for entire crypto industry. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back.